Guys, Amy here with Leap of Faith Crafting. So today we're going to be doing some more 4th of July projects. So I have a bunch of files over on my blog and I will link those below, and you can grab those and you can make a whole bunch of different items with them. I made a t-shirt with one of them. It says family, friends, freedom. Super cute. You can make it for pretty much anyone in your family. You could also make like pillowcases. This is Home of the Brave. And I also made a mug. So super easy to apply vinyl to a mug. And you can hop on over to my blog and watch how I do that. Today I'm going to be showing you how I put vinyl on a tile. So I have this file also over on my blog, and super easy decoration to make. You know, I just use leftover tiles I have from projects we've done in the house, but you can buy them for like $1 or $2 at Lowe's, Home Depot, really anywhere. And then just cut out the vinyl and then just apply it. So I'm going to show you how to do that and how to measure it and get it on there straight. And this you can just sit up on a stand or in a bookcase and show your American pride, right? If you like these videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss any. And let's get started. Like to cut the extra off first. So I had made a line there. So for this kind of intricate cut, I definitely would make sure you have a really sticky mat so it doesn't come up while it's lifting any of these up. And let's do the outside first. So that one comes off nice and easy. And then I'm removing all of the actual letters. I'll go a little bit slow just to make sure it doesn't pull out the insides of the letters. Okay, so now these ones have the little stars inside, so they will want to come up pretty easily. So if you pull them at a big angle, usually they will release that a little bit easier. Okay, so there's one part. I'm just gonna do the second one, and you can use this file to, I'm gonna make a tile, but you could definitely use it to put on a shirt or to make a sign with it. Or to put on a pillow, anything you want to do. So now these ones I'm pulling out. Okay, and now that I have it all weeded, I'm going to grab some transfer tape and put it on my tile. So here's a tile here, and I'm just going to clean it with some alcohol just to make sure all the grease is off so it makes it adhere better. So I'm just gonna put some transfer tape on these. And scrape them down. And trim off the excess. I don't like to waste transfer paper, so I usually use it actually again quite a few times. And then I'm going to cut all the edges off. Okay, so now I'm going to place these and measure them where I want them. So I'm going to put that one about 2, put them both about 2 from the top and the bottom. And I'll line up my ruler towards the edge, and then I can line up the bottom here. And make that a straight. And so this ruler has 0 and then to the 3. So I'm just trying to line it up as close to the center. That's over about 3 and about 3, and then making those straight. So I'm going to leave it there, and then I add a piece of blue tape. So now it's held in place, and I'm going to flip it up, and I'm going to pull off the backing. And pull off the backing. See, it comes off. If it doesn't, just scrape it down again. And so now, since it's held in place, I can just push it back down and it will go down nice and straight where I wanted it. And then make sure it's scraped down well. And then pull the transfer tape off. Okay, so now that one's on. So I'm going to do the same thing with the top. I'm going to put it about 2 inches. I'm just going to line my ruler up, so that's about 2 inches. And then from the edge, and I'm going to put some blue tape on the top, or you could also put it on the bottom, or you could even put it down the middle. And we're going to flip that back. Hopefully it will peel off nicely. And again, I'm going to flip it right back over and put my hand right down the middle and then out to the edges. Take the tape off. Start scraping it down. And then again, you're going to pull off the transfer tape. And again, if you have it almost 180 degrees over and you pull it off, if something like that comes up, it usually won't come all the way up. I'm doing it at an angle. But that's all there is to it, putting one on a tile. So please let me know if you have any questions.